I'm going to do this question with very little math and a lot of Desmos. Just watch. A right square pyramid has an integer base, edge length, and an integer height. The pyramid has a volume of 400 cubic centimeters. If the slant height is 13 centimeters, what is the height in centimeters of the pyramid? So we're going to have two equations. We're going to have the equation for the pyramid's volume is 1/3. Because it's a square pyramid, we're going to have just base squared times the height. Now, if you think about the slant height, right, if we have this sort of pyramid going on, the slant height is made by being the hypotenuse between the actual height there and half the base length. So 13, and this is b over 2, and this is h. So now we can just use Desmos to find this. Let's say b equals x, h equals y, because then we can graph and you'll see what happens there. So I'm going to do 400 equals 1/3 x squared times y, and then I'm going to do 13 squared using Pythagorean theorem equals y squared plus x over 2, because it's half the base, squared. And then we're just going to see when it crosses, and it is at 10/12 and here, right? But it's told that it is integers, so then we're going to do the integer values. The base is 10, the height is 12, so our answer will be 12. Again, because it's integer bases, integer heights. Okay, does that make sense? This is one of the hardest questions students see, but you just need to know Pythagorean theorem, visualize it, and you need to know volume. And then you don't actually have to manipulate the equations. You can just use Desmos to graph and see the intersection to find the solution. Let me know if you have any questions.